Since 1942, Freightliner has been a major player in the trucking world, constantly pushing the limits of innovation and engineering. As a subsidiary of Daimler Truck, one of the biggest names in commercial vehicles, Freightliner has built a reputation for making some of the toughest, most efficient, and technologically advanced trucks on the road. Trusted by businesses, owner-operators, and fleets alike, Freightliner trucks are a fundamental part of the supply chain, helping to keep goods moving and economies thriving. But what goes into making one of these high-performance machines? From initial design to the final product rolling off of the assembly line, let's take a behind-the-scenes look at the meticulous craftsmanship, advanced technology, and rigorous testing that makes a Freightliner truck truly exceptional. Building a truck isn't just about bolting parts together. It all starts with a vision. Engineers and designers at Freightliner work together to create vehicles that are aerodynamic, fuel-efficient, and comfortable for drivers who spend hours, sometimes days, on the road. However, one of the key components of Freightliner design and engineering is on aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Fuel cost is a major concern for trucking companies and independent drivers alike. That's why Freightliner puts so much effort into making their trucks as aerodynamic as possible. A prime example? Well, the Freightliner Cascadia truck, designed with smooth curves and a streamlined shape to cut through the air like a knife, reduces drag and improves fuel economy. Some of the key features that make Freightliner trucks more fuel efficient include sloped windshields and rounded hoods. These help the truck move through the air with less resistance. Side extenders and roof fairings. These help guide the airflow smoothly around the truck and trailer, reducing turbulence. Underbody panels. These minimize air resistance beneath the truck, further improving efficiency. By fine-tuning aerodynamics, Freightliner trucks can save up to 8% in fuel costs per year. That's a big deal when you're running a fleet of trucks covering thousands and thousands of miles. Taking you away from the aerodynamics and fuel efficiency, Freightliner trucks aren't just about power. They're about smart power. The latest models are packed with advanced technology designed to make life easier and safer for drivers. Take the Freightliner Cascadia for instance. This truck is practically a rolling command center, featuring a 7-inch interactive touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so drivers can stay connected on the go. Advanced safety features including active brake assist, which can detect and react to obstacles, and lane departure warning, which alerts drivers if they start to drift. Adaptive cruise control, which automatically adjusts speed to maintain a safe following distance. Before these features ever hit the road, they go through digital simulations and prototyping. Engineers use virtual models to test aerodynamics, crash resistance, and fuel efficiency before building a single physical truck. This process saves time, reduces cost, and helps Freightliner create some of the most advanced trucks in the world. Once the design is finalized, it's time to bring the truck to life. Freightliner's manufacturing plants are massive, high-technology facilities where robotics and skilled workers work side by side to assemble these heavy-duty machines. The chassis is the foundation of any truck, designed to handle heavy loads and long hours on the road. Freightliner uses high-strength steel for durability, precision laser cutting for accuracy, and robotic welding to ensure every joint is strong and consistent. A special corrosion-resistant coating is also applied to protect against rust and wear. After the chassis fabrication, the next process is the engine and powertrain installation, which can be likened to the heart of the machine. Freightliner primarily uses Detroit diesel engines, known for their power and reliability. However, there are different options depending on the job. DD13 or 370 to 525 horsepower, which is a great all-around engine for regional and long-haul routes, balancing power and fuel efficiency. Or the DD15, 400 to 505 horsepower, which is the go-to choice for cross-country trucking, offering excellent power and mileage. Or the DD16, 500 to 600 horsepower, which is a beast of an engine designed for the toughest jobs and heaviest loads. Once the engine is installed, it's paired with the transmission and drivetrain, ensuring every component is aligned for maximum performance. Now the next process is the cab and interior assembly. A truck's cab isn't just a workplace, it's a second home for long-haul drivers. Freightliner designs its interior with comfort, functionality, and customization in mind. Freightliner cabs options are plentiful. The cab options include day cabs, which is perfect for short-haul or regional routes, or sleeper cabs equipped with spacious sleeping compartments for heavy-duty drivers. Inside the cabs, drivers get ergonomic seating, air suspension seats designed to reduce fatigue, advanced climate control, which keeps the cab comfortable in any weather, customizable dashboards and controls, Drivers can set things up exactly how they like it. And premium interior materials. A touch of comfort makes all the difference on long trips. Customers can also choose from a variety of paint colors, dashboard configurations, and premium interior materials to match their style and business needs. Freightliner uses state-of-the-art robotics to enhance precision and efficiency. But don't worry, robots aren't replacing human workers. Instead, they're working alongside skilled technicians to create a perfect blend of automation and craftsmanship. Robotic welders ensure that the chassis components are joined with 99.9% accuracy. Automated conveyor belts move trucks efficiently from one assembly station to the next. AI-powered inspection systems detect tiny defects that the human eye might miss. Despite the high technology automation, human workers oversee every step, making sure each truck meets Freightliner's rigorous quality standards. Now, before a Freightliner truck ever hits the road, it goes through a tough series of tests to make sure it can handle anything thrown its way. Freightliner trucks don't just get tested, they get pushed to the absolute limit. Engineers put them through extreme conditions to guarantee durability. They put them through brutal temperature swings, from bone-chilling -40 degrees to a scorching 120 degrees Fahrenheit. These trucks have to prove they can perform no matter the climate. Vibration simulations. Years of wear and tear are crammed into just a few days to see how well the truck holds up. Heavy load stress tests. Trucks are loaded beyond their max capacity to ensure the frame and axles can take the pressure. And once they pass the durability tests, then it's time to hit the pavement. Every Freightliner goes through real-world road tests to check braking power. How well does it stop in a sudden braking situation? And steering precision, how it handles different loads and road conditions, and fuel efficiency and emissions, making sure it meets environmental standards. Freightliner meets or even exceeds FMCSA, which is the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration standards. So you know that every truck is built for safety, reliability, and the long haul. Freightliner knows that no two trucking businesses are the same, and that's why they offer tons of customization options, making sure that every truck is built for the job it needs to do. Whether it's the cab interior or even the paint job, Freightliner works with customers to get it just right. Every driver and company has different needs, so Freightliner gives plenty of options to make each truck a perfect fit. Sleeper cabs come in all kinds of setups, from simple bunk beds to fully loaded spaces with premium bedding, storage, and even entertainment for those long hauls. Custom interiors let drivers pick everything from upholstery to dashboard layouts and tech features, creating a comfortable and efficient workspace. Exterior paint and branding options make sure fleets stand out with custom colors and logos. Freightliner makes it easy to get exactly what you need, whether it's a fleet of fuel-efficient trucks for regional deliveries or heavy-duty rigs built for tough jobs. They work with each customer to find the perfect setup. Because again, these trucks aren't just vehicles. They are built to help businesses succeed. Once a Freightliner truck is built, the next step is getting it into the hands of customers. No matter where the customers are in the world, that's where Freightliner's massive logistics network comes in, ensuring every truck arrives safely, efficiently, and on time. Freightliner uses a combination of rail, road, and cargo ships to transport trucks across cities, states, and even continents. Whether it's rolling off the assembly line or being loaded onto a ship for international delivery, every truck is carefully handled to ensure a smooth journey. Strategic warehouses and distribution hubs help keep the process running like clockwork. These facilities make sure trucks get where they need to go without unnecessary delays, so customers don't have to wait longer than necessary. Customers can track their orders in real time, so there's no guessing game about when their truck will arrive. Whether it's coming by rail, road, or sea, they'll have updates every step of the way. From start to finish, Freightliner makes sure every truck reaches its destination ready for the road ahead. Now, Freightliner isn't just thinking about today, it's thinking about the future. It's shaping the future of trucking with electric and autonomous technology. The e-Cascadia, Freightliner's first fully electric truck, delivers real-world performance with a range of 155 to 230 miles per charge. And it gives zero emissions for a cleaner environment. Fast charging, 0 to 80% in 90 minutes to keep drivers moving. The smarter the trucks are, the safer the roads. And Freightliner is also developing autonomous technology to help drivers improve safety and make trucking more efficient. With electric power and automation, Freightliner is paving the way for a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable future. From the initial design to the final road test, every Freightliner truck is built with precision, innovation, and quality in mind. Whether it's a long-haul Cascadia, a rugged workhorse for construction, or the groundbreaking e-Cascadia, leading the charge in electric trucking, Freightliner trucks are built to keep the world moving. With a perfect mix of advanced technology, top-tier craftsmanship, and a vision for the future, Freightliner continues to set the standard in the trucking industry. Thank you for joining us on this inside look at Freightliner production. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, keep on trucking.